Hey friends, are you ready to learn how to greet people in Arabic? It's easier than you think. Let's go. First, how do we say hello in Arabic? We say Assalamu alaikum, and the reply is Wa alaikum assalam. Every one of you must know this, so we will jump to the next word. When you wake up in the morning, you say Sabah al-Khair, which means good morning. So good morning in Arabic is Sabah al-Khair. Let's say it together, Sabah al-Khair. Good morning, Sabah al-Khair. Good morning, Sabah al-Khair. Very good. At night, we say Mesa al-Khair. Mesa al-Khair means good evening. Now we will practice this word. Repeat after me. Mesa al-Khair. Good evening. Mesa al-Khair. Good evening. Mesa al-Khair. Very good. Now, how do we say goodbye? We say Masalama. It means go in peace. How beautiful is that? One more time. Masalama. Goodbye. Now repeat after me. Masalama. Goodbye. Masalama. Goodbye. Masalama. Very good. Okay, superstars, let's do a quick recap. Good morning. Sabah al-Khair. Good evening. Mesa al-Khair. Goodbye. Masalama. Very good. Good morning. Sabah al-Khair. Good evening. Mesa al-Khair. Goodbye. Masalama. You're amazing. You just learned Arabic greetings. See you in the next lesson.